Namaste and welcome to India Yoga Arogya series. Today, very interesting subject, and most of us we need. As soon as we pass through around 2025, this is quite normally happening around today. It's a multiple reason. You may think, what's going on? Yes, the weight we putting on around the belly and waist, one of the common problem today. The belly fat or the weight around the waist, how to overcome? See, most of the time we are trying to do a rigorous practice, and after a day we get body pain and we don't do further. Today we made a simple program which is made to start with a lighter version and gradually increase to the next step. That's why, the today's version to building up your motivation and building up your coordination, and at the same time to help you. And here it's not a hard or challenging practices, very simple and gentle practices, yet very effective, and develops a lot of mindfulness to overcome this. And there are few techniques you can do yourself. It is already available in our channel, and the link is available below there. And first thing is Mukha Dhoti and Agnisara. A regular practice of Mukha Dhoti and Agnisara can really help you in this. And then the other practices can really help you. It is in a front and back bending. It's very basic work initially. You can increase the speed as you feel better, but important thing is proper coordination. And what you really need to do, keep the legs at approximately shoulder distance wider and rest the palms on your thighs and use uplifted. As you inhale, raise the hands straight up, get in a good extension and bend the knee and turn the pelvic and slightly arch and maintain the extension and work all the way from the hip and lengthen, bend front and stretch. The next inhalation, again stretch, maintain the extension and bend the knee, turn the pelvic and stretch. No rush. Maintain the same extension, exhale and length and smoothly go and lengthen and smoothly come up. See, this is how the first technique. You can do around 10 to 15. Don't try to do too many. You may well get tired very easily, but always make sure 3 areas you should not stress: knee, lower back, neck. Any pressure comes there, something you are doing wrong. The next technique, it is called side stretching. This is now front and back, both is well worked. Then lateral stretching comes. What do we need to do? Keep the legs around 3 feet wider. And as you inhale, raise the left hand straight up, get in a good extension, exhale and bend to your right. See, there is a solid stretch comes on your left and compression on your right. As you inhale, raise that up and change the hand now. Extend it, but always make sure no stress on the neck or shoulder and look straight up. Don't look up front. And inhale and come up, exhale and go to the right again. And waist squared, the work comes from the side, inhale and come up, exhale and to the left. You have to coordinate your breath really well. And after doing around 10 to 15 repetition, okay, don't do too many. Oh, it feels good, I'll do more. No. You have to don't force beyond 15. Then slowly what you need to do, a twist, a beautiful twist you can give. Take your hands on the waist, bend front. As you exhale, turn your body to the right. Take the left hand to the right foot, but make sure there is no stress on the neck or shoulder and get in a good extension here and rotate it well. Then come back, exhale into the left. Feel and twist really well. Then right, but no stress on the neck or shoulder. If you have any vertigo and epilepsy, don't look up, look straight. Exhale into the left, but to give a good twist on the waist. Do around 10 to 15 repetition. Once it is finished, slowly stop there. Don't come up suddenly, you may get dizzy. Softly come up, smartly come up and bring the legs together. And then there are a lot of techniques are there. The next one is another simple one. Lie down on your back. Raise the hands over your head, legs together, feet perpendicular. And always remember, work within your limit. As you inhale, smoothly raise your right leg. It's not the speed, it's coordination. Exhale and release. Then left. Exhale and release. Do around 5 to 9 times. The last one, try to stay around a minute each leg. And staying here, it looks so simple, but it is very effective. Start working on that and release. Then with both legs. If you have a back pain, don't do this. If you have a neck pain, carefully do it. Okay? And in case you are during the menstruation, please work very soft or do only single legs. And after doing around 5 to 10 times the up and down. Always remember, drop, then come up and hold it for around a minute to 2. Then smoothly release. And the next is, the brain maintain the extension really well. Take a deep inhalation, exhale and raise your chest as well as your thighs around 45 degrees. It looks so simple, but remember, believe me, it challenges you. Just around 20 to 30 seconds you do it, then cross the legs and raise the hand straight up and extend your trunk. And back to Navasana again. Stretch your legs, another 30 seconds. Cross the legs and stretch it up. Around 3 to 6 repetition of this. The thighs brought as close as possible to your chest and sides lifted well. Breathe. If good, look your thumb. And then slowly release and lie down on your back again. Then next, you can bend both the knees and hug your thighs with exhalation. And inhale and release it back. Exhale and pull it. Inhale and release. And repeat around 10 times of it. After that, pull the thighs against the chest, hug it and do some gentle rocking. Exhale and come up, inhale and go back. Around 10 to 15 repetition of this, vertebra by vertebra. In case you suddenly have any pressure on the back, or you fold your mat into 2. After completing around 10 to 15, hug your thighs, turn to your right and to your left. Right and left. Another 10 to 15 repetition of this. Then slowly release that, bend the knees and rest the hands on the sides. As you inhale, pressurize the feet and smoothly raise the hip. Exhale and vertebra by vertebra. Inhale and raise. Exhale and release. Inhale and raise around 10 to 15 times, and the last one hold around 5 to 10 breaths. Then relax. So this is the first stage. Once you're really good, very comfortable, you can take up the next challenge, Surya Namaskara or Vinyasa A and B. This link is already provided into the bottom here. You can follow that up. If you're doing Surya Namaskara, do at least 12 rounds Surya Namaskara. You can gradually increase, but suddenly don't do too many. Start with around 3 rounds, then you can increase to 6, then 12, up to 27 you can keep practicing every day. But if you've done properly, the technique is just to be proper. That really takes care about the waist. Or Vinyasa A and Vinyasa B, just 5 rounds each can make you an amazing work and strengthens and not only releases the waist at all, it gives you a tremendous relief on your respiration, on your immune system, on your relaxation of the mind, and multiple different areas it can going to work for you. And if it is need more further, please communicate with us. We give you more challenges. There are a primary series you can take or foundation series you can take. If you are working on them together, you can keep fit, you can keep healthy forever. Thank you for watching and keep up to date your progress, and also you can send the messages or questions, we will answer you and as a return. Thank you, and see you back soon into the next video.